Hello, fabulous people. I am Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of my first YSL handbag purchase. Some people say Saint Laurent. Some people say Saint Laurent. Some people say Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. Saint Laurent. However you say it, YSL, Southern accent, Northern accent, French accent. We're all talking about the same type of bag. So before we get started, if this is your first time with me, thank you for joining. I appreciate you. If you are a return viewer, thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate you as well. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, please turn on your notifications so you'll never miss the upload of a new video. So as I mentioned, I purchased this handbag today. I went with the Vinyle Round Camera Bag in the embossed leather. I purchased the black. I've been looking at purchasing a YSL bag for some time, and if you know me, you know, like when I purchase a handbag, I walk into the store and I pretty much already know what I want. I research the bag, I research the reviews on it, I research even what the tax is going to be, because the price that the bag is, let me tell y'all something, that tax can really blow your mind if you are not prepared. And so I settled on this bag for several reasons, and I'll get to that at the end of the unboxing portion of it. So I purchased this bag earlier today. Isn't this a beautiful, like just the bag itself, not the handbag? We haven't even gotten to that part. And as you can see, like the seal is still on the bag, so I have not opened it. I purchased this bag today here in Atlanta, Georgia. I went to Phipps Plaza. They have a Saint Laurent store in Phipps Plaza, and so I had the pleasure of working with a client assistant by the name of Randy Gibson. Super duper fabulous. If you go to the YSL store here in Atlanta, Georgia, please ask for Randy. He is a true delight, and he was oh so helpful, and he helped me make sure that I was making a decision that would best suit me and my needs of what I wanted in a handbag. I'm trying to diversify my collection. I have a lot of Louis Vuitton. I purchased my first Gucci not even a month ago. A hobo bag, and so somebody told me, A, I need to stop buying Louis Vuitton, and B, I need to stop buying hobo bags. And so I went with something much smaller, but I still wanted a classic bag. If you notice, most of my bags are classic. I tend not to get into too many trendy things because when I purchase a handbag, it's an investment, and I want it to be able to rock with me through the ends of time. I don't resell my handbags. As of now, I don't. And so when I purchase a piece, I want to make sure that it's something that will withstand the test of time. As far as fashion trends may go, my bags will always be a classic, and they can rock with whatever trend I may be hopping on as far as my wardrobe is concerned. So here's the bag that the bag came in. And so there's a box. Okay, let's get it. So like I said, I've been doing a lot of research. Broke that seal. And so when I went into the store, I pretty much had an idea of what I wanted, but I'd never seen this bag in person. So you can see the ribbon is still on there. So this is a little card. What is this? This is just my receipt, y'all, letting me know how much damage I did. So put that there. Beautiful, sleek, black box. So I'm not even gonna untie the ribbon. I'm just gonna see if I can finagle it this way. Okay. And so it has this, like, can you see, I see that? This black on black embossed sticker over the black tissue paper. And me being me, I'm gonna figure out a way to keep even the tissue paper intact, y'all. And this is a nice box. I've been collecting my designer boxes and using them as a display. I told y'all I was gonna figure this out. And so the size of this bag makes it very easy. And so as you see here, we have the dust bag. And y'all see that? And now let's get to the prize and joy. And so here is, Isn't this beautiful? It's like just so cutely classic that you just cannot go wrong. And so I purchased this bag for several reasons. I got the black with the gold monogramming, or hardware rather. They have it in silver. I don't like the silver as much. As I've gotten older, I've really become a big fan of all things gold. So gold is the primary metal that I choose to wear at this stage in my life. I used to be a big fan of silver, and I still like it, but for me, like, gold is just like vintage, classic, and so I like it. So this is, again, the Vinyle Round Camera Bag. It is in the embossed leather. I got the black with the gold hardware. This bag retails for $1,190. So I looked at this same bag in the vintage, the Blanc vintage, which is the cream off-white, as well as the Pebble, which is more of a brownish green tone. Because all of my bags up until this point, like I said, I have a lot of Louis Vuitton. I have the monogram, and I have some damier ebony. And so I got this black because the only black handbag that I have actually would probably be my Tory Burch clutch, the one that clasps together. I'll insert a picture of that, and I'll also insert a picture of the Blanc vintage to let you see what that option was, as well as the Pebble in this handbag as well. So I got this because all of my bags are typically big bags. Like, I'm a big fan of the Speedy. I think I have the 35 in the Speedy Louis Vuitton. The Never Full, I have whatever that largest one is, the GM. I have an Alma bag. I have the larger Alma bag. So that's not as big as a Speedy or a Never Full, but I also have the Gucci, I believe it is the Brie Hobo bag. My bags on the smaller size that I have is, I have a Louis Vuitton Favorite. That, to be honest, the Louis Vuitton Favorite is probably the smallest purse that I have. So I went with this because the shape is unlike anything that I currently have in my stash or my collection of handbags, particularly designer handbags, as well as the color, as well as the shape. And so I can even actually take this off of the, so you guys can see. Okay, I am back. Can you guys see that? So you can't adjust the length of the strap, and so it's leather here, and of course the bag is leather, and again we have our gold hardware, and it is the embossed leather. I like the chevron patterns, and then it's the same on the back. And so for reference, I am 5'5", so you can see like where this bag hits. For me, is hitting right above or right below the pocket of my jeans. Isn't that cute? Just beautifully classic. So what I love about this bag, as I mentioned, it is very classic. I believe this design will stand with the test of time. Around the holidays, they also had this in a suede type material, but I went with the classic leather. Like I said, I like classic handbags. At this point, I don't currently resell my handbags. I keep them and I rock with them, and I try to take good care of them. So this bag is on the smaller side. It's not going to be like an everyday bag, but I can wholeheartedly see myself taking this, you know, out to dinner, a night on the town, a date night, concerts, things of that nature. And so I'll take the stuffing out of here so you all can see. So I don't know if you can see in here. So it's not the biggest handbag, but again, there is a pocket inside, and let's see. So for reference, I tend to carry big bags like this. I don't know why I be acting like I'm somebody's mama, but I like to be able to put like water bottles in my purse. Baby, we need to have an extra pair of shoes, some flats in there if we got on some heels, because your girl feet be hurting, and So for reference, I typically carry big bags like this. So let's see what I can get in this bag. So this is my wallet. It fit. I would also most likely like to carry some hand sanitizer. You know, we about that life. We're out here in these COVID streets. What else? Let's see. I would most likely want to have my keys. Let's see. And baby, because we got to keep them lips red, right? So can you guys see that? I have all of that in there, and I still have enough room to put my phone. I won't put my phone in there now because I'm recording this on my phone. So I can fit hand sanitizer, my wallet, my lipstick, and my keys in it. If I wanted to, I wholeheartedly could take a credit card, my driver's license, my insurance card, and a couple of bills, 20s or so, if I just wanted to have cash on me, and slip it into something thinner and more sleek to give myself more room once I insert my phone. But as of now, it comfortably fits all of that in there. The strap is a gut length, and I am wholeheartedly, let's take the tag on there, y'all. I am wholeheartedly pleased with this purchase. I am excited about my first Saint Laurent purchase, and I actually probably will continue to add to my collection. Very, very beautiful purse. The reason I didn't get the vintage Blanc or the Blanc vintage, which is the cream color, is because I was concerned about color transfer. So I know I've worn dark denim jeans. I had some on today. You remember I was standing up, and I've washed them before and they have still transferred. The color has transferred to other items, and so I didn't want to deal with that on the back of the handbag. And the only reason I didn't get the pebble is I really love the color. It would be something outside of the norm that my eyes would naturally like drift to in a store. As I mentioned, I'm very straight by the book. I tend to do all things classic, but I really did like that. The only reason I didn't get that shade, because I think I don't really care if my purse matches my outfit, by the way, either. I think your purse is an accessory of its own, and it does not have to match your outfit. But the only reason I went with the black, like I mentioned, is classic, it's traditional, and I very well may, if they bring it back, get the suede variety of this handbag, as well as venture into getting some of the other colors. I know one of my friends was just so shocked that I did not go for the red handbag, because red is my favorite color. But I'm trying to, you know, do a little diversifying of my portfolio and things. So thank you for joining me with this unboxing. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you subscribe, please hit the notification so that you will always know when I upload a new video. I can't wait to see you guys next time when I come up with a new unboxing or a new video. And until then, stay fabulous. Bye.